Welcome to qnawire.
In this situation, we have two shuffleboard discs of equal mass colliding and going off at angles. Now, the best way to solve this problem is by using vectors. So the orange ball moves at an angle of theta away from the original direction, and Vy is is perfectly perpendicular to that to the velocity of the orange ball. So let's try and find the velocities of each disk. Not ball, but disk. So let's look at this in terms of vectors. Our initial velocity is moving perfectly to the right. That's Vi. Vo, velocity of the orange disk, is going in this direction. And our Vy, velocity of the yellow disk, is going in this direction, where this is our right angle, because Vo and Vy are at right angles to each other. Our theta in this situation is right here. So, let's find Vy and Vo by using trigonometry. Sine of theta is equal to Vy over Vi. So by simply rearranging this, we can see that Vy is equal to Vi sine of theta. And it's similar with the orange disk as well. Cosine of theta is equal to Vo divided by Vi. So Vo is equal to Vi cosine theta.